This is a story about a girl who is literally the center of the universe and a boy astronomer who is drawn to her light. The girl is stolen by a band of monsters who keep her in an impenetrable fortress. They enslave her and keep her from her birthright. She thinks her only way out is marrying this monster prince because she feels that living with one monster is better than living in a fortress full of them. And all this time, the boy plots her rescue from his observatory. You hate it.
No, I don't. I haven't cried this much since Optimus Prime died in Transformers the movie. The animated one, okay?
You're not crying. I weep inside.